Hello students, welcome to your English class. Our today's lecture is based on famous pianist Metin. Ashwitha Jayakumar studied literature and medieval studies at the universities of Edinburgh and Leeds in the United Kingdom. She currently works as a writer and editor of books for children in India. Her work has been published by Scholastic India, Pratham Books, and Pearson India, among others. Interesting interpretation in pieces from any period in solo recitals. Fisher was born in 1993 in Israel. So let us start our chapter Pianist Metin. Zen is the mother of two kids. She could not study for graduation as she was married at a very young age. So she decided everyone around her thinks that it is a foolish idea as it is too late to study at this age. Worked hard and passed with flying colors. The great genius succeeded only because of hard work in respected areas where they started training. The same with Mozart, he studied at the age of 4. By the age of 5, Mozart was composing his own little musical pieces. Metin Fisher was 13 when he began learning to play piano. Fisher worked hard for 10 years under two teachers and mentors, Eva Melkin and Jonathan Zech. Piano recitals, pianist plays solo in concert to showcase the mastery over the instrument. The same with Mozart. He trained hard for 10 years under two teachers and mentors. Metin received and achieved the difficult feat of mastering the piano in less than 10 years. Metin is greatly inspired by the works of Chopin, Johnny, and Paul Benheim, and often plays their compositions, albeit with his own interpretation. He claims to be inspired by Indian classical music, which he describes to be like magic. Metin's performances have entertained audiences all over the world, and this young generation is sure to go places. Personality and make you a skilled person. So, let's recall and recap the chapter. This is a short biography on pianist Metin Fisher written by Ashwitha Jayakumar. Israeli pianist Metin is a musical man. Although he started learning to play the piano at the relatively late age of 13, he rapidly made up for lost time. He trained hard for 10 years under two teachers and mentors. Metin achieved the difficult feat of mastering the piano in less than 10 years. Metin is now a trained recital pianist. He gives piano recitals, which are performances given by just one or two musicians. Metin is greatly inspired by the works of Chopin, John, and Paul, and often plays their composition, albeit with his own interpretation. He hopes to create his own compositions in future. Metin has given recitals all over the world and has also performed in India. He claims to be inspired by Indian classical music, which he describes to be like magic. Metin's performances have entertained audiences all over the world, and this young generation is sure to go places. That's all. Thank you.